कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट. प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या.
Dreamt of an India which was not only free but also clean and developed. Mahatma Gandhi secured freedom for Mother India. Now it is our duty to serve Mother India by keeping the country neat and clean. I take this pledge that I will remain committed towards cleanliness and devote time for this. I will devote 100 hours per year, that is 2 hours per week, to voluntarily work for cleanliness. I will neither litter nor let others litter. I will initiate the quest for cleanliness with myself, my family, my locality, my village, and my workplace. I believe that countries of the world that appear clean are so because their citizens don't indulge in littering, nor do they allow it to happen. With this firm belief, I will propagate the message of Swachh Bharat mission in villages and towns. I will encourage 100 other persons to take this pledge which I am taking now. I will endeavor to make them devote their 100 hours for cleanliness. I am confident that every step I take towards cleanliness will help me in making my country clean.
I was really very happy that students and the colleges are taking initiative in getting away with the plastic. Frankly speaking, I usually carry a cotton bag in my car, and I request each and everyone, even this message should go to the entire society, because plastic is a big headache and it is a big menace in the society. Around 15,000 paper bags with them. These bags will be distributed to the shop vendors and other vendors in the Quepem market, and my staff will be accommodating. My staff will be supporting them. Will go with them.
Government College NSS unit and Deputy Superintendent of Police Quepem jointly organizing this rally and paper distribution program under Mission by Plastic. Earlier, there was a huge movement in the Quepem, Saturday Mission Bypass, and inspired with that, we have decided to do Mission by Plastic. This program we are doing for last 20 years, starting from when Madam Alina Saldana was the Environmental Minister. All the elected MLAs all the deputy collectors, all the police staff, police department, all they are associated with this project. In this project, we are making lakhs of paper bags and we are distributing to the different vendors, shops, and business people, pharmacies.
Sir, what is the message behind this rally or
The main purpose of this rally message is, though we cannot ban the plastic directly, it is our responsibility that we should understand plastic is not biodegradable. So because of that, we have to minimize using the plastics. Like our college campus, they declared as a plastic-free campus. Similarly, in the society, we should try our level best to minimize the use of plastic. With the help of the paper bags also, we can carry several items. So at least for those purposes, we can take the paper bags. Students have made several cloth bags also. Cloth bags you can use because they can be recyclable. You can take the items and keep it home and again fold it and keep in your pocket and use it. So use either cloth bags or paper bags. Paper bag distribution is the main event for us. Every year we students prepare lakhs of paper bags and we distribute to the different vendors. Like we can see the pharmacies, general stores, and fruit sellers. All they use are paper bags. And this time on the paper bag, we are spreading the two important messages. One is Vikasit Bharat, because Vikasit Bharat program is going on all over the country. Now to the bags you can see the Vikasit Bharat message we are sending. At the same time, we are spreading the message of the election commission sweep activities. That is, each and every youth who are eligible to vote should vote in the elections at all the levels and make Goa as 100% for the voting.